Hi, I'm Summer from Cosmic Crochet Reviews, and in today's video, we're going to work up this simple yet beautiful crochet petals doily. This beginner-friendly pattern is worked in the round and can be made in less than a day. We'll go row by row together, but feel free to download the free written pattern instead. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet content. For today's project, you'll need about 100 grams of worsted weight yarn in any color that you choose, a 5mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle for weaving in your ends. We'll first start by making a magic ring by wrapping the yarn around our hand, just like in the video. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook to make a chain. Insert your hook in the magic ring, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through two. This is a single crochet. You're going to repeat this 11 more times for a total of 12 single crochet in your magic ring. Tighten your magic ring by pulling the tail, then slip stitch in your very first single crochet to join the round. It may take a couple of wiggles to get your hook underneath that first stitch. Chain two, and then we're going to double crochet in the same stitch as our join. For a double crochet, we are going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, and now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Chain 2, and then we're going to double crochet 2 together in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the very next stitch and pull up a loop just like you would with a normal double crochet. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull up a loop in the same exact stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through all 3. You've now made a double crochet 2 together. Repeat this around. Don't forget to chain 2 after every double crochet 2 together. At the end of our row, we are going to half double crochet in the top of our first double crochet to join. Yarn over, insert your hook into the top of the stitch, pull up a loop, and now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3. That is a half double crochet. First, we are going to chain 1, and then we are going to insert 2 single crochets into the space that was made by our half double crochet join. Then add 3 single crochets in each chain space around. When we reach the end of our row, we are going to single crochet in that original first space and then slip stitch in our first single crochet to join. Chain 3. This counts as a stitch. Then we're going to double crochet in that same stitch as our join. Chain 3, and then skip the next 2 stitches. In the third stitch, add 2 double crochets, and repeat this all the way around. At the end of our row, we're going to skip the next 2 stitches, chain 1, and then half double crochet in the top of the chain 3 to join. Chain 3, this counts as a stitch, and then double crochet in the top of the chain 3 from our previous row, as well as the next 2 stitches. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and then double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Repeat this all the way around the row. At the end of our row, we're going to skip the last stitch and single crochet in the top of our chain 3 to join. Chain 1, and then single crochet in that same space made by your single crochet join in the previous row, and then single crochet in every stitch and chain 1 space around. Slip stitch into your first single crochet to join. Chain 1 and single crochet in your same stitches join. Then we will chain 4 and do a treble crochet 4 together. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do the same thing again 3 more times. You should have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5, and then chain 4 and single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around, starting off with your chain 4, treble crochet 4 together, then chain 4. At the end of your row, you'll chain 4 and then slip stitch into that very first single crochet. Chain 6 and then single crochet in the top of the treble cluster. Then chain 3 and double crochet in the single crochet between the 2 treble clusters. Then chain 3 again. At the end of our row, we're going to chain 1 and then half double crochet in the 3rd chain of our beginning chain 6 to join. Chain 1 and then add 3 single crochets in the space made by your half double crochet join. Five single crochet in the next chain 3 space and in each chain 3 space around. When we reach the end of our row, we're going to add 2 more single crochet in that first chain space and then slip stitch in our first single crochet to join. Chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch as your join. Then we're going to chain 3 and skip the next 4 stitches and add 2 double crochet in the 5th stitch. Repeat this same pattern around. At the end of our row, we'll chain 1 and half double crochet in the top of the chain 3 to join. Chain 3. This counts as a stitch. Then double crochet in the top of the chain 3 from the previous row, double crochet in the next double crochet, and in the next chain. Chain 2, skip 1 chain, then double crochet in the next chain, 2 double crochets, and the next chain after that. Repeat all the way around. At the end of the row, we're going to half double crochet in the top of the chain 3 to join. Chain 1 and single crochet in the space made by your half double crochet join from the previous row. Then single crochet in the top of the chain 3 and in the next 3 double crochets. Single crochet in the next chain space and in every double crochet and chain space around. At the end of the row, we're going to slip stitch into our first single crochet to join. And this is what we have so far. Chain 3 and double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and then slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this all the way around, starting with your chain 3. At the end of the row, we're going to slip stitch in the same stitch as your first chain 3 to join. Chain 3 and skip the chain 3 from the previous row. We're going to single crochet in the top of the very first double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet 2 together the next 2 stitches. Then chain 3 again, and repeat that same pattern all the way around, starting with a single crochet in the top of the next double crochet. At the end of our row, we're going to chain 3 and then slip stitch in our first single crochet to join. Chain 4, and then treble 2 together. Yarn over twice and insert your hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat that one more time. Then pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Chain 7, skip the chain 3, and then treble 3 together. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this 2 more times. And then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. Repeat this same pattern around, starting with your chain 7. When you get to the end of the row, chain 3 and then treble crochet in the top of the first cluster to join your round. Chain 1 and then place 5 single crochet in the same chain space as your join. Add 9 single crochet in the next chain space and in each chain space around. When you get to the end of the row, you're going to add 4 single crochet in that very first chain space, and then slip stitch into your first single crochet to join. Chain 1 and single crochet in your same stitch as join, then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches, and then single crochet in the next 7 stitches, and repeat this all the way around. When you get to the end of the row, chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then slip stitch in your first single crochet to join. Chain 1 and single crochet in your same stitch as join and in the next 2 stitches. Then chain 4 and skip the next 3 stitches and single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Chain 4 and repeat this all the way around. When you get to the end of your row, chain 4, skip the next 3 stitches and single crochet in the next 2, then slip stitch in your first single crochet to join your round. Chain 1 and single crochet in your same stitch as join and in the next stitch. Then chain 6 and skip the next 6 stitches. Single crochet in the next 3 stitches and repeat this all the way around. Chain 6, skip the next stitch, and then single crochet in the next. At the end of your row, you'll chain 6, skip the next 6 stitches, then single crochet in the next stitch and slip stitch in your first single crochet to join. For our final round, you'll chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch as your join. Then chain 8 and skip the very next 8 stitches. Single crochet in the 9th stitch. Repeat this all the way around. Chain 8, skip the next 8 stitches and single crochet in the 9th stitch. At the end of your row, you'll chain 8, skip the next 8 stitches and slip stitch to the very first single crochet to join. Then you're going to cut your ends, fasten off, and weave in your ends. Thank you for watching my crochet tutorial. Comment down below how you like this pattern, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet content.